What's up guys, I'm Brick. Today I'm gonna to make a review video for the Xiaomi JV65 cordless sticker vacuum cleaner. A pretty similar product with JV65 is JV63. The specs are almost the same, except some subtle elements. Compared with JV63, JV65 is an upgraded version in most attachments and functions. JV65 has a lot of attachments: electric floor head, electric mattress head, 2-in-1 crevice tool, 2-in-1 upholstery tool, handheld vacuum, metal tube, soft brush, carpet brush roll, and so on. The electric floor head is used to clean the floor. The 2-in-1 crevice tool could be used in the crackle, in sofa, or the corner line against the wall. The soft brush, mostly used on some surfaces. Carpet brush roller is certainly used on the carpet, which could clear the dust from the deep of the carpet efficiently. And the mattress head could clear the bed mat. A simple cordless vacuum cleaner, a great use in your daily life. If users have a rubber vacuum cleaner, why we need a cordless vacuum cleaner? You have such kind of questions, I think it's reasonable. However, I want to say, can the rubber vacuum cleaner clean the sofa, the bed, or even the high buildings? The rubber vacuum cleaner could liberate the user's hands to some extent. However, the cordless vacuum cleaner could do something which the rubber vacuum cleaner could not do, right? The suction power of JV65 is 145 watt. We can distinguish it from the noises, for the variety of suction power would generate different levels of noises. There is a group of 8 by 2500 mAh batteries to give it a long ride, and it can work for 70 minutes continuously. The battery pack can be detached from the machine and replaced with a new one. The running time with electric brush is diversely according to the high, middle, and low suction power, which are 8, 22, and 45 minutes. And the time is 9, 30, and 70 minutes with long electric brush. The charging part is pretty covered on the handheld vacuum. When we connect the cable with the adapter, the red singular will turn on. If the dustbin is full, we can uninstall it and pour all the wasters in the trash can. Then, it's great helpful to clear the devices one by one by using water. Okay, this is the end of the cordless vacuum cleaner review. If you have any questions, please make a comment below. If you like this video, please thumbs up and share this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.